It's dropped the phone, and now the screen won't turn on. So what I want to do is I want to look at it, see if maybe the ribbon cable came unhooked, and there's also another issue with the microphone. So it just vibrated, which tells me that it's turned on. And as you can see, there's nothing going on. I'll turn it off, and we will get the heat gun and we'll start heating it up. So I'm gonna run this fairly low. Getting pretty good at these phone repairs, or at least I will be by the time it's all said and done. I don't really have too much hope for this. Yeah. iFixit kit comes to the rescue yet again. This one will probably work a little bit better, seeing how the screen's not completely shish kebabbed. Let's get back to it. When I took this into the technician, the guy had said that the screen is going to break. So at the time, I just kind of took his word for it because, you know, he's the pro. I'm gonna see if that's true today, if I can take this apart without cracking that screen. So I don't know if you can see it, but you don't want to go for that bottom channel. And I found that out the hard way. And this is, holy cow. Wow, that's crazy game. There it is. I knew it. I knew that cable had just come undone. So since that's not even connected, so I'm gonna set that off to the side for the time being. I don't know why I'm trying to fix this. I won't be using this as a phone anymore, but it's more or less just a curiosity. If I'm already cracking into it, why not? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna order the correct parts. Change my mind. I'm just gonna put this all back together. It's just a phone for the kids. There we go. That's better. More gooder. Just got done editing the video and I wanted to do a quick follow-up, just kind of give a rundown of how it went. So the repair itself was easy. It went exactly as expected. I knew it was going to be that ribbon cable. Just everything about how it was behaving told me that that cable came disconnected. The thing that was concerning was the lack of, if any, adhesive or glue that was holding the screen on. For that to been the second time that phone has been repaired is crazy to me. That thing was as clean as the day that it came off the factory floor. And that's kind of where I wanted to go with this. So this has always been my mantra, that if I can do it, I will learn it and do it myself. If I would have paid money to have this repaired and found out that it was given back to me in this manner, I would not be happy. And so that's kind of my message that I'm sending. Be willing to take the risks. Be willing to fail. Learn from your failure and move forward with successes. There's only one person that you can be mad at the end of the day if you do the work yourself and you do it wrong. So I urge anybody watching this video that if you can do it, try it and do it yourself. I'm just a person who grew up working on things his whole life and loves to find out how things work. So that's it. Like and subscribe if you're liking what we're doing. There's more stuff in the works, but that's it. Peace.